Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Well, it's nice to always greet you with the different greetings, different dialects in the Philippines.
Good morning.
I mentioned to our speaker that we have over 170 dialects. So I would say, maayong buntag sa tanan ng mga Bisaya. About for those of you that are from Leyte or Zamar, maupay nga aga sa inyong tanan. And for those that are in Luzon, Tagalog, of course, magandang umaga sa lahat. And for those that are in the northern Luzon, naimbag na bigat. Those are only the dialects that I know so far. But thanks for the wonderful opportunity. It's always nice to be here. I was here with my wife last year. It was a great privilege for us to be here, and now I'm back. And I'm back with Claire Jewel, who is our speaker this morning. And I told him that we already have a picture for him. It's right there, Claire. Over there. Right? And so, great looking. You know, Claire has been the executive director of ABWE, Every FA, leading efforts to help the church reach all the ethnic groups in North America through discipleship and church planting. In the past, he's been the director of Generate, overseeing a ministry that focuses on strengthening and growing church leaders and churches within the JRBC. We thank God that Filipino Restoration Christian Fellowship has been one of the recipients of the grants for Generate for the last 3 years. It's amazing to see that Claire is here today. More than 3 years ago we were here, and we thank God for what God has been doing in the ministry of this church. And also, moving forward, we see there that our speaker has been a pastor for over 20 years in Indiana. And we thank God for his life, for his ministry, and he's so passionate about doing discipleship and committing to helping people grow in their faith and share the gospel with others. At present, he is the national representative of the General Association of Regular Baptist Churches of over 1,100 churches in North America. And we are thanking the Lord for his leadership for us. Just as much as your sponsoring church, First Baptist Church of Spring Valley of California, Generate and JRBC is praying for the ministry of this church. And mind you, Filipino Restoration Christian Fellowship is the first church that is a member of the JRBC outside of the United States. And without further ado, I'd like to say thank you, Amplify team, for the wonderful time of worship. You know, it's like heaven on earth, because someday when we will be in heaven, we will be worshiping the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. And we thank God for using the Amplified team, ushering us in doing so. And so today, let us prepare our hearts and our minds, even as we listen to God's word to be given to us by Claire Jewel.